So, we're right here. You're just gonna, like I said, take this. Gonna get this first one over just like that. And then get this one in here. Now from here, if you want to, you can pull apart from them, but they're, depending on how old your tire is. This tire is pretty old. I haven't changed it in a while, so I might even try to give it a hand here. But once you get it past that one area, because there's going to be a real tough area that you get at. Oh, especially if you haven't replaced it in a while. There you go. That's it. Okay, now we're good. So now from here, I just work it around, and it's going to come like that. We have this all open. Take this and slide it in. Other thing, before we get too far ahead of ourselves, direction. It's right. So if your gear changer is here, the tire should be rolling this way because your chain's gonna pull it like this. So it's gonna turn like that. So make sure your arrow's that way. If looking at your gear changer and on your front tire, you should be looking at nothing. If you're looking at your brake, for me at least, it's on the side that if I had the direction rolling with the brake, it would be wrong. So now that we've done that, I've confirmed my direction. Trust me, more important than you would think. If you want wear, and if you have a warranty issue, let's say something happens, wear issue with your bike, and you take it in and they see that, they probably aren't going to warranty your tire. So something to keep in mind. And just tuck this all the way in, all the way around. So that way we know it isn't going to be in the way as we go. And again, just tucking it into the very back of the tire, making sure it isn't twisted. All right, so start at the valve, because that is the last one you want to be messing with. And then go to here, just make sure. Then when you get to the last area, well, we all know how much fun it can be. Oh. So, just work it in. There, done. Make sure this is still out. If you want, you can always cap those two when you're doing it. Now, fill it to the PSI that is on the side. This is a good time to make sure you have a tire gauge that has that. Otherwise, has a gauge. Otherwise, you're gonna hate life because then you have to try and guesstimate, which is never good. So try and have that and just quickly fill it up.